Hello everybody. Here we are, 1 week old. These are our little girls. I'll get in and say hello. Alright, let's start with number 1. Here is number 1. She said, "You woke me up. Now I'm hungry." There's her face. It's a pretty little girl. Nose is changing already. Big yawn. She's a beautiful blue girl. And here's number 2. Nose is changing a little bit. So she's a pretty little girl. If we could focus on her face here, that'd be great. There we go. There's a focus. So those are our girls. Just the 2. They are both still available. As you can see, one of them is a little bigger than the other. I think this one is going to be like her grandma. Her grandma's only 10 pounds. So those are the girls, and they're so pretty, so sweet. I think this is Barbie's nose here. She said the babies. I want to see the babies. And that's about what we do at this old. Eat, sleep, and cry. And Barbie thinks they can play. So they are beautiful. I'm going to get Mommy back in here with them. I'm sure they're getting a little chilly. So we will see you in photos next week. Bye for now.